In this video, you'll learn how to create, edit, and manage your private workspaces. Private in this case means that all users with a specified worker role will only have access to items in the private workspaces to which they are assigned. This doesn't apply to the account owner or to the admins because they have an overall view of the account and are assigned to all private workspaces by default. To create a private workspace, go to Settings, click on the Collaboration Tools tab. To add a new private workspace, click the green Add Private Workspace button. A configuration pop-up will appear. Enter the target name in the private workspace name field. We recommend naming your workspace depending on how you want to separate your workflow, for example, by geo, by verticals, or by team you manage. Next, if your plan allows you to, you can assign workers to your workspace. If you don't have any additional users added, watch the corresponding video on how to add users to your account and determine their roles. Click Save. Keep in mind that once a workspace is created, you can't remove it. You'll just be able to make adjustments to the name and workers assigned. In the Workspaces tab, you'll find your first workspace called Initial. You can change this name to something more convenient. To edit Initial or any other workspace you've created, click the Edit icon. Type the name and, if applicable, assign or remove workers from your workspace. Once ready, click Save. Once you have all your workspaces in place, you can start adding chosen campaigns and campaign elements to them. Thank you for watching.